Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. OpenSea supports Arbitrum Nova, cb.id domains are now claimable on mobile, an attacker leaks 200 million Twitter account emails, and Balancer urges liquidity providers to withdraw from certain pools. All this and more from ETH Daily starts right now. OpenSea now supports NFTs on Arbitrum Nova, a data availability chain by Off-Chain Labs. OpenSea also joined the chain's Data Availability Committee, which is responsible for signing data availability certificates and running data availability servers. Nova offers ultra-low-cost transactions and is designed for gaming and social applications. Arbitrum native NFT marketplace Stratos previously supported Arbitrum Nova before shutting down operations last November. Other NFT marketplaces that currently support Nova include Trove by Treasure DAO, Babylons, and Tofu NFT. According to DeFi Llama, Arbitrum Nova currently holds $890,000 in total value locked. Coinbase cb.id subdomains are now claimable for more than 100 million users on the Coinbase Wallet iOS and Android mobile apps. The feature allows users to create a Web3 username powered by ENS, which replaces hexadecimal addresses with human-readable names. The domain makes it easier for users to interact with wallets. Last summer, Coinbase integrated ENS infrastructure using the DNS import feature. Coinbase opted to use its DNS domain cb.id instead of a .eth extension to ensure users are aware that the domain supports addresses for multiple blockchains. The feature was initially available to users on the Coinbase browser extension wallet. Pseudonymous Twitter users are now at risk of being doxxed after an attacker leaked 200 million email addresses that are linked to Twitter accounts. At 0x796 on Twitter shared a list of well-known crypto Twitter users impacted by the breach, which include Mudit Gupta, Nick Johnson, and Tim Bako, among countless others. According to Wired, a bug in Twitter's API allowed an attacker to reveal if a Twitter account was associated to an email address or phone number submitted to the system. Data from the breach appears to have been collected in 2021, as newer accounts are not found in the leak. Users should be cautious of potential phishing attacks. Identity Oracle platform Clique launched its initial integration with Optimism's Attestation Station, a reputation contract that hosts custom user identity information. Users can now create an on-chain attestation of their social behaviors by connecting a wallet and Twitter account to Clique's social oracles. The attestation can then be used for minting an Optimist NFT, which is designed to represent a user's identity across the Optimism ecosystem. In the future, Clique plans to support ZK Soulbound token contracts, which allow users to create attestations about private data. Clique is one of 8 initial partners for the OP Attestation Station. And lastly, Balancer urged liquidity providers of certain pools to withdraw assets immediately due to an emergency issue. Balancer first announced an issue related to 5 liquidity pools on the protocol. An emergency multisig then changed fees for the affected pools to 0 in an effort to mitigate the issue. Balancer said it will publicly disclose the issue once it is resolved. According to DeFi Llama, Balancer is the 4th largest decentralized exchange with over $1.5 billion in total value locked. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories from ETH Daily. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on Twitter at ETHDaily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.substack.com. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.